Hello there, I'm Leslie, co-founder of Newsletter Glue, and in this quick video, I'll show you how you can download and install our Newsletter Glue Pro plugin. So on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the purchase confirmation email that you should have received. So this is what this email looks like over here. And all you need to do is click Newsletter Glue Pro, and you'll be taken to a download. So once you've saved it, okay, so you should see the Newsletter Glue Pro download over here in your downloads bar, and obviously it will also be in your file manager. Now you can head over to Plugins and Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin. So over here, you can simply drag and drop your plugin and install now. Now, the reason why you have to do it this way rather than install it directly in your WordPress admin is because the file is not found on the WordPress repository. Only free plugins are found on the WordPress repository, and Pro plugins have to be downloaded and manually installed. And right now you can go ahead and activate the plugin. And if you're a new Newsletter Glue Pro user, you will find yourself taken directly to our onboarding wizard. In our case, we've already downloaded and installed Newsletter Glue before, so we are taken back to the plugin page. And here you can see a notification to add the license key to get updates. So here's the license key. So let's copy the license key right now. And we are being taken to the Settings and Pro license page. And here we will paste our license key. Okay, so our license key is now updated. And if you follow this entire flow, you'll be able to download, install, activate, and use our plugin. Thank you again for purchasing Newsletter Glue Pro, and look forward to seeing you inside.